Hi everyone, today I'm whipping up a really quick and easy rhubarb recipe. Rhubarb's in season at the minute and it's absolutely beautiful. This recipe, you'll make it in 5 minutes and bake it in 25, so it's super quick and there's only 3 ingredients in it. Can you believe that? 4 if you want to include a sprinkle of icing sugar on it when it's baked. So to get started, you need self-raising flour, and I've got 150 grams of self-raising flour in here. Into here I've got a tin of sweetened condensed milk, and this is 397 grams, so I'm going to add that in there. You might need a spatula just to get it all out. Great. I'm going to mix all this together. Alright, that's fully mixed in there. Moving on, I've got my rhubarb here and I've got 250 grams, and you want to cut this into about half-inch pieces. So get all that in there. So you want to fold all that in. As you can see, it is a very thick mixture. Alright, I'm happy with that. Just going to set this to one side. Grab my tin. I've greased and lined it just to get the cake out easy. Now let's get this in here. Try and get all the mixture into the tin. So we're going to spread this out, right out to the edge. And there you have it everyone, all ready for the oven now, and we're going to get it into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Here it is, fully baked. It's not a very deep bake, so you could probably, if you wanted to, maybe bake it in a smaller tin than the 9x9 if you wanted a little bit deeper. So to finish off, I'm just going to sprinkle it with a little bit of icing sugar. Time to cut into this, and I'm going to cut it into 16 squares. So I'm going to go cut in the centre first. I'm going to go across here, across the centre again. And there it is, I've cut it into 16 squares. Let's get some on a plate. Just look at that, looks really nice. And you can see that lovely rhubarb inside. They're soft, tangy from the rhubarb and just sweet enough, and the custard on top finishes them off perfectly. Everyone here loved them, even though I wasn't sure at first with just 3 ingredients. It's such a handy little recipe to have on hand. Give them a try and let me know what you think. I do have a 3 ingredient banana loaf recipe too. It's very popular and it's actually nice as well. I'll pop a link to it in the comments down below if you want to try that one. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.
Scrummy.